everyone and welcome, and today we're going to have some words to know. Some words to know. Ebigambo byokumanya. Ebigambo byokumanya. Okay, so number one, it is meaning. Meaning. Meaning in Luganda is amakulu. Amakulu. Meaning amakulu. Number two, stomach. Stomach. Stomach is olubuto. Olubuto. Stomach is olubuto. Save. Save. Save is okutaasa. Okutaasa. Save is okutaasa. Hate. Hate. Hate is okukyawa. Okukyawa. Hate is okukyawa. Okay. Middle. Middle. Mumakati. Mumakati. Middle. Mumakati. Once again, middle, mumakati. Help. Help. Okuyamba. Okuyamba. Help is okuyamba. Come. Come. Come in Luganda is jangu. Jangu. Come is jangu. Send. 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 Send is okutuma. 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 Protect. Protect. Protect in Luganda is okukuma. Okukuma, because it is prolonging with double U. Okukuma. Protect is okukuma. Protector. Protector. Hope you can know the difference. This is protect. This is protector. It's like the person. Protector. Omukumi. Omukumi. So protector is omukumi. Leaves. Leaves. Leaves is ebikola. Ebikola. Leaves, ebikola. Okay, the next one, button. Button. Button is epesa. Epesa. Button is epesa. So if it is buttons, it's amapesa, but it's in singular, we say epesa. Okay, once again, some words to know. Ebigambo byokumanya. Okay, meaning amakulu, stomach, olubuto, save, okutaasa, hate, okukyawa, middle, mumakati, help, okuyamba, come, jangu, send, okutuma, protect, okukuma, protector, omukumi, leaves, ebikola, button, epesa. Okay, that is it in this video. Bye bye. Wait about.